Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to keep Slack active. So let's get us started. At first, open Slack and go to your profile, and from here, set yourself as active. Click on it and you will see the green icon here which indicates you are active on Slack. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.